Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on the TrackerV2 system from SCIS. In this tutorial we will go over the bill detail screen. The bill detail screen is gotten through either clicking on a hot message, which includes a link to one of the bills, or via the TrackerV2 search screen. For information about the TrackerV2 search screen, you can look at our previous video tutorials, which goes in depth on this screen. Let's start. I'm going to navigate to TrackerV2 for this tutorial. And for this example, I'm going to go with the 101st Assembly Introductions. I'm just going to pick any bill. In this case, I'll pick House Bill 2. Click on the title, and that brings me into the bill details. The bill detail screen is split into 4 components. At the top, we have the bill details. This gives you an at-a-glance view of the bill number, the bill title, the synopsis, the sponsors, and the last activity which was taken on the bill. We find that these are the items that people want to see most of the time that they come to this screen. Underneath that, on the left-hand side, we have hot bill status and company file status. This is where we can make changes to whether this bill is marked as a hot bill or remove a hot bill marker, and what company files this bill is filed in. A bill may belong to one or more company files. On the right-hand side of the screen, we have company position and comment. Your company can take a position of not tracked, monitored, supported, or opposed, as well as can leave company-wide comments in the box below. Finally, at the bottom of the screen is a complete bill history of all the events which have happened to this bill. Since this is a freshly introduced bill, the only activity we see is introduction. Let's scroll back up to the top. We can see the icons at the top of the screen, so we can see what our company position is and whether it's a hot bill or not. With the legacy system, we also had an individual user position, which we display here only for legacy purposes. Once the legacy system is removed, this icon will also be removed. We are moving to a company position only system. Hot bill status. If I want to mark this as a hot bill, in other words, a bill that I will be receiving notifications on anytime something happens, all I have to do is click the button that says Mark as Hot Bill. The screen will refresh, and now up near the bill title, you'll see that my little fire icon has been colored in, as well as the text on the button near Hot Bill Status now says Remove Hot Bill Marker. That's how you know you've marked a bill as hot. If you want to mark multiple bills as hot, it's more efficient to go to the Bulk Bill Action screen. Information about that screen is covered in a previous video. To remove the hot bill marker, I just click the button again, and now you can see that the flame has gone out next to the bill title, and my button has again returned to Mark as Hot Bill. You can toggle this on and off as many times as needed. If a bill is on as hot, you will get notifications via text or email anytime something happens to the bill. The next area is company file status. Company files are ways for you to organize your bills into logical segments. This can be via subclient or category or subject matter. If you want to add a bill that you're on to an existing company file, just click the drop-down arrow and select the company file you would like to add it to. In this case, we'll add this bill to the Honeywell company file. So I just select Honeywell, and then I click Add to Company File. Now if I scroll down, underneath the Add section, you'll see bills exist in company files below, and it lists the company file and the date that it was added to that company file. If I've accidentally added a bill to a company file, all I have to do is navigate to the bill detail screen for that bill, find the company file that I want to remove it from on this grid, and click the Delete From button next to it. So if I click this Delete From, that bill has now been removed from the Honeywell company file. Let's add it to another company file, say Casey. And let's add it to another company file that doesn't yet exist in our dropdown. So in that case, if you are creating a brand new company file, you'll leave the dropdown at Add to New Company File, and in the text box below, you'll type in the name of the company file. And then click Add to Company File. The system will create the company file and then add the bill to that new company file. As you can see here, we now have this bill in two different company files. The right-hand side of the screen, the position and comments, are just that. I can mark this bill as monitored, click Update Position, and now the icon on the left reflects that I am in monitored status for this bill. The positions do nothing for reporting. They are merely an indicator for your company as to your opinion on the bill. Additionally, I can provide comments here. These comments are company-wide. So, you can add a comment, and click Update Position. Regardless of if the position actually changed, this will confirm your comment into the system. If you wish to remove the comment, just delete it and click Update Position again, and it will remove your comment. Comments are not logged, so comments are across your entire company. If you have multiple users in the system, we recommend putting your initial prior to your comment, and then if there's an additional comment later on by another employee, having them do the same thing. This way you can see who made what comment. Comments can be printed on reports and on the search screen. They can be shown. Now, let's take a look at a bill that has more activities. To do this, we'll return to TrackerV2. Since the 101st assembly is just getting started, I'm going to go back in time and select the 100th assembly. And rather than looking for introduced bills, I'm going to look for one specific one, House Bill 479. Again, clicking on the bill title takes me to the bill detail screen. This bill detail looks the same but with some additional information. In this case, the bill's last activity included a scheduled meeting. The scheduled meeting is hyperlinked. By following this hyperlink, we can see what all bills will be covered in this meeting. Additionally, looking at the bill history below, we see, as stated, all the different statuses which this bill has gone through, including all the meetings that it was included in. And you can click on any of the meeting instances and see the other bills that were included in those meetings. For example, if we look at this February 2nd, 2017 meeting and click on the meeting information, we'll see a full list of all the bills that were in the meeting. If need be, this screen can be printed by either using File Print on your browser or holding down the Control key and pressing P. To return to the bill details, just click the back key on your browser. That completes this tutorial on the bill details screen. If there is additional functionality you would like to see added to this screen, please let us know by dropping us an email at scis@scisinc.com. If you are not yet a customer of SCIS, or you are a DLR only customer and you would like a trial of our full product line, contact us at scis@scisinc.com or call our office, and we'll be happy to give you a 30-day trial or a temporary 30-day upgrade of your service so that you can try out all of our product line.